I guess he's just gonna hang out with us here. Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's just this box right here. Noodles is very excited about it too. I'm just gonna open it first, give you a little sneak peek, okay? Ta-da! Noodles is into it. So Ree is actually an inspired startup that enables consumers to celebrate the positive impact of making sustainable food choices. This empowers you to be the hero through the everyday choices that you make. Their driving goal is to spark a movement of positive consumerism that resonates throughout the world and also makes sustainable behavior the new normal. So we're gonna go through each and every items, and there's a lot of like education here, which is really fun. So right here we get like a feeling of what Ree is about, which I just shared with y'all, and then there's also a bunch of questions and everything. So they offer very like socially conscious products with very transparent production lines, and so we get to understand like the process of how like these food products were made. Should we do left to right? Okay. Can your food choices reshape the lives of people? Alright, so what we have here are the lightly salted cashews, the lightly salted nut mix. Just in case you're curious, these are vegan, they're non-GMO, there's no added cane sugar, preservatives, flavors, and colors. It's very natural and minimally processed, so they're not just tasty, but they're also healthy and good for you. And I'm gonna taste test because I am interested. Ooh, okay, so I see a bunch of like mixes already. We have walnuts. Please correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not like the most nutty person. And then there's an almond and a macadamia. Oh, they're very lightly salted. You really can't taste like... Oh my god, Noodles is so obsessed. Look at him. This is great. So the country of origin is Vietnam, and it says that with the resalted nut mix, you're helping kids learn digital skills. Because we've set up summer schools near the hazelnut farms that we source from. Maybe that was a hazelnut that I just ate. In the Black Sea region of Turkey, so that the migrant labor's kids are safe and don't end up working with their parents. The Ree Cashew Butter is making our cashew farming community in La Grai, oh god, am I totally butchering it? La Grai, Vietnam feel safer. Installed 100 street lights to make the road safer for two-wheelers, you know, motorcyclists, and have enabled work after dark, so women felt safer moving freely at night. Children played under the street lights, and more women went for walks and caught up with friends. And it just shows you how small actions can have such a huge impact. So it's kind of crazy to think that like if you purchase this one like cashew butter, you're actually helping a community become more lively and more safe at night, which is really cool. And I think I'm gonna open it to smell it because I don't have a spoon with me. Oh no, Noodles is obsessed already. This is what the cashew butter looks like. It's very nice. Alright, okay, I couldn't help myself. This is the cashew butter. It looks very light, very creamy. Noodles, please. It's very light, very creamy. It doesn't leave a weird film in your mouth, but it also like melts. It's kind of like fudgy almost, and it's just like a very clean taste that I really enjoy. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you also notice, like a lot of their packaging isn't plastic, and they've actually tried to cut down like plastic packaging by about 90%. So most of these like materials are either reusable, like glass, or compostable or biodegradable. So that's really great. And it says here that the resalted cashews are dramatically improving the social status of women. At our cashew factory in Pleiku, Vietnam, 80% of our employees, including managers, are women. I like that they included managers because I was thinking like, you mean, you know, that all the workers are women and then the top of like men, but no, it's not. These are the salted cashews. If you do like variety, you can go for something like the salted nut mix because you get like almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, walnuts, and yeah, no macadamia. I told you I'm not good with nuts, right? I do have more information about the cashews and the factory workers in Vietnam. So women in Vietnam often have to settle for more unhealthy or often like lower paying jobs. The only work for many women in that area is like granite or furniture making, and there's a lot of fine dust in the air which poses a health risk. So ever since it opened up a cashew processing plant there, over 500 women are employed in that factory. They lead in a variety of roles, including managers as well. They also receive equal pay to their male colleagues, which is very important, and enjoy benefits like maternity leave, health insurance, and even opportunities to pursue like sponsored education, which I think is just great. Like all this from cashews, right? Alright, moving on to the next one, the blue column. Can your food choices better remunerate farmers? I'll be honest, like when I go shopping and when I pick up like products, especially in cans or in jars, I'm not really very much aware of what happens like in the production lines. I don't know if the farmers are being compensated, you know, fairly. And this is something that I think we've habitually come to accept not knowing, and we don't really think about it from time to time. So it says here, oh, it's a big boy. Oh, really dropped it. Okay. Alright, they're not the same. So this one is natural salted cashews and these are lightly salted cashews. So I'm guessing that this one is a little bit saltier, which you know I like. So this is the Ree Nutty Muesli, and it says that with the Ree Muesli, you are helping to improve soil health and farmers' incomes because they've helped train 1,868 quinoa farmers in Peru in organic farming practices. So that's pretty cool. Education, very important. And this looks like a really big chunky jar of really good muesli. It has gluten-free rolled oats, roasted cashew nuts, roasted almonds, honey, roasted hazelnuts, roasted pistachios, roasted quinoa, and it also has no gluten, lactose, peanuts or soy. So if you're prone to allergies or if you just want to eat like gluten and lactose free, then this is great. Ooh, oh, it smells really good. This is what it looks like. I hope y'all can see. It has a lot of good stuff in it. So that's that, and then we're gonna move on to our final biggest column right here. Can your food choices rejuvenate our planet? And we have, ooh, another big boy. Ooh, these are Ree Nutty Cookies. It says they're 100% natural, good for you, good for the planet, good for our farmers and their communities. And it's once again vegan, non-GMO, none of that nasty stuff. So I'm going to open it. And it says here, by the way, the packaging is 98% plastic free. I'm guessing the only thing that's not is like this plastic seal. And it says, when you enjoy Ree cookies, you help us reduce ocean plastic. Our cookies are packed in a tin with recycled paper and plastic-free adhesive. So maybe this is plastic free. That's interesting. To make the reusable packaging 98% plastic free, and they're working towards a 100% plastic free solution. So this is your nice little biscuit tin. Also can reuse, you know. Oh my god, you know what it reminds me of? Like those like Danish butter cookies. I'm just gonna try one now. Okay, it tastes very interesting, and I think it's because it's made out of mostly almond meal and sorghum flour, which I don't know what it is, but it has like a nice nutty taste. It's not crispy, but it's not chewy either. It's more like a biscuit, and then it kind of melts in your mouth, which is really, really nice. And I think that might be the cocoa butter. On your first bite, you really can't taste like any sweetness, but then it comes in like towards the end, which is quite interesting. And I think it'll go really well with like tea or coffee. So the ingredients also include coconut sugar, almonds, cashew nuts, rock salt, and honestly that's it. Like the ingredient lists are always like really, really short because they have no preservatives and no like added nasty things to kind of keep it on the shelves. So I really like that. That's really cute, and it's kind of like a good size as well if you want to gift it to someone else or if you're going to someone's house, especially during kind of this like Chinese New Year period. You want to like bring something nice to someone's house, and then you can start like a conversation with this and be like, hey, did you know it's a new brand? They're trying to be like quite socially conscious. So moving on, we have this is Ree instant coffee. You can help save some water with each cup you enjoy. At our coffee factory in Vietnam, we've tapped into technology to cut our water usage by 38% between 2014 and 2019. So don't worry, by the way, if you don't have these boxes and you're like, how do I know what kind of impact I'm creating, right? So it has like infographics right on the bottle itself. So when you pick out your products, you know exactly like what kind of a positive impact you are helping create. And Vietnamese coffee, I don't know if you guys know, but they're one of the best. I feel like people, whenever they go to Vietnam, you know, when they used to before the pandemic, right, everyone would always come back with like coffee to gift friends because it's just so good. I'm not a personal like coffee drinker, but I do like adding like coffee into like my Japanese curries, like chili con carne, and like cooking in general to add more flavor. So this Ree instant coffee is the perfect blend of flavorful Brazilian Arabica 20% and punchy Vietnamese Robusta 80% coffee beans. A wonderful companion for every coffee moment. Super cute. This is also a glass jar, so once again you're cutting down on plastic waste and you can always reuse it. I usually like keep sauces, like when I have extra sauces after cooking, and then just like store them. They're very compact and like just easy to see also with the glass like in the fridge. So that is the instant coffee. And finally, we have the lightly salted almonds. Look at that. With Ree salted almonds, you're helping improve bee habitats. Okay, I did not know I was going to help bee habitats today. At our Australian almond orchards, water bodies, nectar-rich flowering plants, no chemical usage while the bees are on the farm, and some of the things we do to keep our 3 billion pollinating bee visitors happy. Aww. So this contains roasted almonds, rock salt, and that's it. So these are the kind of products that you can expect to find at Ree for now, since they've just launched. And I think that's quite cool that they're not doing like too much, because it feels more thoughtful and it feels more sincere, like a nice curation of select products for you to like make your purchases, know about the impact, and feel good about like eating and enjoying yourself. So that's all in the box. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys found it interesting. Like, I was really excited to do this unboxing because like there's just so much to learn and so much to share. I think it's very exciting to have so much like education and transparency in like the production of food products that we don't usually have, and that's why making these like conscious purchases are so important and so exciting. And I hope you guys enjoy it. What items are you most excited about? You know, maybe let me know, maybe I can give away. Okay, editing Brenda here just jumped in to tell you guys that Ree actually liked the idea of a giveaway and they've agreed to sponsor a whole set. So you get the entire set as I do, and all you need to do is once again comment down below, let me know what you're most excited about, what you like the most about this brand, and which product you're most excited to try, and I'll be able to send it your way. All of the details will be down in the description bar, but good luck. Yeah, giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and you can also click the bell to turn on your notifications, and I will be back soon. Bye!